Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and we are doing a Etsy update video. These are the new kits that I mentioned the other day, and they are always the document style journal pages. These ones I did print from the PDF, so there's a border, and these ones I printed from the JPEGs. So there'll always be, let me see if I can find that page just to compare them. Obviously the JPEG files are a much higher resolution than the, they look pretty similar though. Actually, they are very similar. Normally the JPEG files, they're bigger files than what's been compressed into a PDF file. So these are printed from the PDF and these are printed from the JPEGs. So I'll show you, there's 8 pages. I always do 8 pages in the kit. Obviously take the white border off and they fold over like that, and they've got parts that are plain and parts that have decoration on them. And Steph did these with Lulu's help.
Yeah.
So Lulu's here. She's going to tell us the bits that she did, what she did. Did you draw that?
Yeah, I drew those flowers.
And those flowers.
I did those, the ones that are sort of...
These ones. So Lulu sketched these in the iPad Pro, and then Steph used them as digital stamps. And a lot of this stuff that you'll see in these kits, he created himself, except for obviously the flowers. He then went above and decorated them. So they've got a lot of really special effects in them in these ones. And then, of course, we've always got some of our own personal scanned ephemera in them. So... is there anything that you did here? No. You didn't do that one?
I don't,
no,
I don't think so.
No, I don't think you did. Beautiful border. So, yeah, they're kind of like semi-plain pages. So you did that flower. I love that. So you'll probably, and I think, did Daddy design that, or did he?
Yeah, he did design that.
Yeah, Stefano also designed some of these borders and things that you see himself. Not this. This is from... No, he created that one, but that was a while ago. You didn't draw that one, did you?
No.
No. Just checking because I wasn't watching while Lulu was doing them. So as you can see, some of them are quite plain. Rather than doing a plain kit, we left them some fairly plain. So that is the... hey, you can go now, Lulu, if you want to.
Okay,
bye, Lulu. Those are the journal pages. And then, so as I said, there's 8. And then we've got an ephemera kit. It's an ephemera kit with the envelopes. So these are some gorgeous tags and paraphernalia that I have that's in my own collection. I've had it for a while and I just haven't put them in a kit. I've got more types, so they will appear in some kits. On this one, I added that little stamp there, and I just played around with that one a little bit. So this is all my own personal ephemera that I've included in this one. So it's not, you won't find it on the necessarily on the graphics fairy or anything like that. It's all my own sort of stuff. So there's 3 of those, and then we've got some envelopes that Steph did, and I'll go and print on the reverse side of those, and then I'll cut them out and use them when we do the document style journal. So there's I think there's 5 envelopes. I love his envelopes. They're really pretty. And they're quite hard to do because sometimes we get bits and pieces upside down because it's a little bit hard to figure out, but Steph does his best. That one. And then this is a bigger one. And then we have a 3rd kit, which is the tags. We did 4 pages of tags and 2 pages of journal cards. So the base of the journal cards are these some old plain cards that I had, and then we scan them, and then Steph's worked on top of them. So there again you can see those flowers. Lulu drew those. There were some others, I think, that because we've got another kit in the works, and so there are other things that Lulu drew in that one. Oh, and I love these stamps. Steph created those. He made them from scratch because he wanted me to give him a stamp to scan. Like some of these are antiques, really old ones, so I don't know that matters. There's a lot of them, scanned digitally around out in the internet. But then I said, no, I'm not giving you any stamps. And so he created those, and I love them. So we may do something with those later on. And this one he put Roxy Creations in, but you can't read it. Only 20 cents, only worth 20 cents. And then these are the tags. So he did the tags. Normally I do the decorating. He cuts the form for me and I do the decorating, but I let Steph do it because, you know, that way we got something different. And there's 4 pages of those in that kit. Love them. Really, really. I think he had a lot of fun doing it too. Really love them. So they're really already decorated. You could add a little bit. You could put bird here or butterfly if you want to. But, you know, when you need to have a few fast tags, that's what these are for. So they are the 3 kits. So we've got, I'll just repeat, we've got the 6-page tag and journal card kit. So 2 pages of journal cards and 4 pages of tags. We have the ephemera and envelope kit. So we've got 5 envelopes. And don't worry, I'll show you how to fold that one. It's really cool. Although some of you have learnt that by now. So 5 envelopes and then 3 pages of fun things to play with. We always need a few more new fun things. Now this was torn and I put a paper underneath it to help it along. And this was also torn and I put an antique paper underneath there as well, just to fill in that bit there, because we don't want a big piece of white shooting down there. You could choose to tear that out or leave it. And then these fun ones. And then we've got the 8 pages of document style journal pages. And of course, I will be using these with the document journals that we've... So look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's certainly something else when you fold them, isn't it? Absolutely love that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. There. I'll just go through and show you quickly. That one is like that. And I'm going to be mixing them in with, look at that, and with antique document pages. That one. And then this one here. Oh, so beautiful. So Steph had a lot of fun doing this. They're slightly, you know, a little bit different sort of effects on them than our usual. It's nice to have something different, and it sort of, you can mix it, intermix it all. Anyway, so I hope you like those. They will be listed in my Etsy shop, and I will put a link in the description of each listing of this video so that anyone can go and have a look at it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.